iPhone X welding pound.ray cable replacement operation. This is the iPhone X where Face ID doesn't work. Turn off the phone and remove the front camera. Take out pound.ray cable. Take out the Lumen L3 repair instrument. Plug in dot matrix activation expansion board. Will automatically jump to the relevant page. Put the dot matrix cable on the expansion board for testing. Test display normal. Connect your phone to the Lumen programmer. If the dot matrix is not unbound, you need to unbind the dot matrix first. Take out the dot matrix cable and take it for welding, grinding along the weld. Remove the MOS tube. Two potentials shorted together. Remove the cable and clean it. Apply flux installed to pound.ray cable top. Use Lumen special glue to cure. Snap the welded front camera onto the expansion board. Test display normal. Click right. Test display right search success. Test display exist data. Install the front camera with the dot matrix cable. Soldered back to the phone. Face ID has been successfully repaired.